How to WhatsApp business account. First of all, open WhatsApp on your device and go to the chat screen. Now if you already have the business contact saved in your phone, simply tap on their name and start typing your message as you would with any other contact. If you don't have the business contact saved, you can still message them directly. For example, many businesses provide a clickable WhatsApp link on their website, social media, or Google listing. When you tap on that link, it will automatically open the business chat in WhatsApp and you can begin your conversation right away. Some businesses also use QR codes. In that case, open WhatsApp, tap on the three dots at the top, select Settings, then tap the QR code icon next to your name. From there, you can scan the business QR code and it will open a new chat window. You will notice a label at the top of the chat that shows it's a verified or business account, so you know you are messaging the right source. Once the chat is open, just type your message and hit send. Businesses often have automated replies or business hours mentioned in their profile, so you will know when to expect a response. Now you know how to WhatsApp business account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.